I deleted them. The fire-colored one, the yellow one, and the one that claims it's designed to be deleted, but actually just wants your credit card info. For 30 days, I replaced the algorithm of love with actual human eye contact. And let me tell you, it was terrifying. I realized that my social skills hadn't just rusted, they had completely decomposed. In the swipe era, we've outsourced our courage to a piece of glass. We think dating apps give us options, but psychologically, they're giving us choice overload. We've turned humans into products and ourselves into reviewers. This matters because we are currently lonelier than ever, despite having 1,000 matches. The uncomfortable truth? Dating apps aren't designed to find you a partner. They're designed to keep you on the app. You aren't the customer. Your attention is the product. Why is real life so much harder? It's because real-life connections lack the gamification of apps. On an app, a match is a hit of dopamine. It's low risk, high reward. In the real world, walking up to someone at a bookstore is high risk, unknown reward. Your brain experiences anticipatory anxiety. You're afraid of a rejection that hasn't even happened yet. But here's the psychological secret: microsignals. On an app, you get a filtered photo and a bio that says, "I like tacos." In person, your brain processes thousands of tiny data points: tone of voice, body language, scent, and vibe. You can learn more about compatibility in 30 seconds of real-world interaction than in 30 days of texting. After 30 days, the change wasn't that I found a soulmate, it's that I found myself. By removing the digital safety net, I forced my brain to relearn spontaneous socialization. I stopped looking at people as profiles to be judged and started seeing them as humans to be known. We've traded the depth of a real connection for the width of a digital one. But depth is where the actual happiness lives. You don't need a better algorithm. You need a better environment. Try it for a week. Delete the apps. Look up. The resolution in the real world is much higher anyway. If you're ready to trade swipes for smiles, hit that like button and subscribe to update your social hardware. I'll see you in the next frame.